One mistake that I see the majority of beginning creators make is that they run their channel as a lottery ticket instead of a business. And if you are right now in your first months of your YouTube career, then this video might change everything for you. Today I will show you how to transition your channel from its current position into actually functional business. So I will give you basically step by step what I did multiple times with my own channels. Anyway, let's get into it. The hard reality is that 90% of YouTube creators don't earn any money and will never in their lifetime earn any revenue of YouTube. That's because they run their channel as a lottery. But there are also good news. If you adjust the whole system of your channel and the way you are taking care of it, you can essentially change everything in your favor and become these 10% that actually benefit of YouTube. And to show you the difference, I prepared few channels that we'll go over right now to show you what they actually make differently. So here we have our first channel. This one, as you can see, is making these AI commentary videos that do sometimes really well, but sometimes they just completely flop. And this is what's called lottery channel. As you can see, the views can go from 20,000 views to 3 million, 1 million, 3 million, 80,000. It's just up and down, up and down. As you can see, these AI commentary channels, they can make really viral videos. He has like a video with 100 million views, 25 million views, 22 million views. And these ones can make you a lot of money. But with these channels, you can also get periods when you don't get any views. As you can see, here we have 70,000, 22, 27, 17, 28, 20,000. So it's basically a 30,000 view channel. If we compare that channel to this one, which is about cars and car tricks, this one is doing a bit differently, because as you can see, the views are much more consistent than on the other channel. Here, even on the lower periods, you get around like 200,000 minimum views on every single video. And well, I'm struggling to find a video getting less than 500,000 views. Like, even if the video does really bad compared to every other video, it's still in the hundred thousands of views. Anyway, here we have another channel. This one is also doing AI commentary. It can be ranking, it can be AI commentary. It's just basically what I found first when I was looking for these examples. But basically this one is also getting most of the times only around 30,000, 40,000 views on every single video, but he still has some videos that did really well and hit a couple million views. But right now you're asking like, what's the difference? Like, I can see some of these channels are getting lower views on average and getting some higher view ones, and some other channels are getting more consistent views with only tiny spikes. The difference is quite simple. It's the niche where some channels actually can win for a longer period of time, and some channels are just betting on one winning video. I have one last example to show you of a niched channel. This one is focused on IShowSpeed and his clips from his streams, and as you can see, every single video is getting above 1 million views. Okay, here we have this one. It's only 3 weeks old, but if we go down and down and down, this channel is sprinting. So while it may seem like a really great opportunity to make these really simple AI commentary videos or ranking videos that are for general audience, the reality is quite sad, because most of these creators, they post daily for 3 months and then they quit because they haven't seen any consistent results. And this is a great example of non-niched channel. This one had no niche. It was basically AI commentary, posted every single day, sometimes even twice per day. And yeah, you can definitely earn a lot of money. But as you can see on the graph, you get these periods where you don't get any views for multiple months. It can be like 3 months, 4 months, 6 months, when you get only maybe 10, 20,000 views on every single video. And then only these spikes where you get these really popular videos, only these can make you the life-changing revenue. But I'm not saying you need a specific avatar, specific niche, specific video system, because as you can see, this can actually work. But you have to be ready for these periods when you don't earn anything, and for a long-term profits, this isn't the right way to do it. And if you are already making videos, try to ask yourself this simple question. What's your channel actually about, and who is your target audience? The best answer would be you know exactly which age these viewers are, you know when they watch YouTube, you know their hobbies, you know why they watch these videos, and you know basically everything. And that makes the video production much easier. And if we compare the previous channel with this one, which is run by me and my partners, this channel is much more predictable. Yeah, there have been periods of times when we haven't been posting at all. This was because of false strikes and other problems with YouTube. But overall, you can see the stability of this channel. And yeah, even on these channels, you will have periods when the views will go up and down, as you can see in this part. But the dips and highs are much more in the same line, and you will actually see it on the revenue itself. Because if you hit 1 million views every single day for a month, which equals to 30 million views, you will still earn more than this other guy who gets only one viral video with 20 million views on one video and gets around 30,000 views on every single other upload. Because in total, this guy will have only 20.9 million views. So as you can see, it's definitely much better to just run a channel that is sustainable and gets you the same views every single time. Even though these channels can get 20 times more views on a single video. And right now you are probably asking like, what are the next steps that you can take, how you can actually niche down even more. The first thing that I always try to do in the beginning of every single one of my channels is to find an avatar that I want to target. You can see it as a restaurant. I'm not a basic restaurant, I'm this really niched pizza restaurant selling only Italian pizza and making the best pizza in the world. That's basically what I want to do. I don't want to make this generic restaurant that you can find on every blog. Maybe we can say like it's McDonald's. I want to be this pizzeria. The second thing is system. If you have one niche, one video style, one thing that you create, then it's also much easier to make the system to create these videos. I already made a video about my systems, how I run my channels, so if you want to see it, you can click here on this eye icon and you will see the whole video. And third thing is patience. Even though you have a niched channel, YouTube is sometimes pretty random and it can give you views in the first month, but it can take maybe up to 3 months to get your first results. Actually, to go back to this channel was started in the beginning of this year, which means it has only like 3 or 4 months. But you can see it was successful from the beginning, so it still depends on the niche quite a lot. Also, very recently, I got a message from one of my students that actually made me think about this whole video, because after using my advice and niching down, he grew his channel from basically nothing to getting monetized and starting to earn his first money online. And now you can hear it from his own words.
Hello, my name is Alex, and Marek, my online friend, he helped me with honest feedback and opinion, and which helped me really good to build a new channel and also getting monetized, and I want to share it with you. Got monetized 10 days ago, and it's working really good. In these 10 days I made around 500 euros. So for me, switching the niche and focusing on one specific kind of video, I was just posting everything and it was like just bullshit. And if you focus on specifically one thing, one niche, it will probably help you out really good in the beginning, in the start of the journey.
Anyway, if this video was helpful, make sure to join my school community. You can find a link in the description. There you will find how I was able to hit 100,000 subscribers on a brand new channel in 25 days, with also revealing the niche and basically all of the knowledge that I've gathered throughout 13 years on YouTube that helped me run multiple successful channels. That's about everything, and I will see you in the next one.